Thursday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Hey, bud. Hi, guys. Oh, we got a bunch of cackle monkeys. We got a bunch of cackle monkeys. How you guys doing, huh? Everybody looks happy and good. So starting, I believe, Saturday morning, we're going to drop down to 28 and 25 even. So I'll be putting heaters inside their waters and getting them ready. What I use is a small little 5-watt fish tank heater, and it keeps it from freezing over. What's the matter, bud? His new thing is sitting in my lap at home inside the house. Let's go scoop the poop and get some eggs. What's up, beautiful ladies? Excuse me, pardon me. Pardon me, excuse me. Doesn't look too hopeful. Give me a second. Okay, poop warning, but you got to see this. The poop caught the egg. I'm going to get it. That's still good. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Excuse me, guys. That's 6. Excuse me, guys. 7, 8. 8 eggs. And we'll take it. It's not 10, ladies. And a poop egg. Come on, Chunk. Keep walking. He has gotten so big. He's like a thick little monkey. Yeah, you want to get up there? What's up, guys? Well, hi. You're expecting treats? I got treats for you. Good boy right here. Got to clean up the Wonderland sign. Needs to be wiped down a little bit. Clean out the cage. The condo, as we call it. Book, 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 book. Book, book, book. God, Princess Cupcake, you are getting huge. I swear she's grown in size since the other night. Boy, this is so much better with my POV camera. I can actually feed the chickens properly. Oh, that looks broke. We got to fix that, huh, Mama? Myrtle the turtle. That's Myrtle the turtle. Special mama. Special mama. All right, let's get some eggs. You have become a big chunk. When I got her, she was only about that big, I swear, about a month ago. Now she's just as big as the rest of the girls. She's my rescue chicken from work. Yeah, we got one. We got one green egg. I gotta get some more green egg laying chickens. I love green eggs. They look so cool. It's about mid-30s right now. I mean, I got plenty of firewood to get me through this next freeze. Definitely. I might spend Saturday or Sunday just splitting this all down about midday, getting it all piled back up. Get some wood here. Now that's how you get a fire going. Something about the ability to have a fire in the wintertime. Just something amazing. Look at that. Well, I'm going to get the fire going, warm my kitty up, and relax for the rest of the night. Y'all stay safe. Stay warm. Have an amazing night.